Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We will be continuing our series by covering chapter 3 and 4 from the book Java Precisely by Peter Sestoft, not Precisely Java. In our last video, we covered the proper ways to name objects and variables in Java, while chapter 3 and 4 also cover similar topics, which extends on the idea of the standard code practices that are commonly followed for writing code. So without wasting that much time, let's just get straight into the code. So we spoke about naming conventions that teams use for naming variables and classes in Java. Let's continue that conversation with naming constants. Constants should be named entirely in capital letters, with the words for the name being separated by an underscore character. So here are some examples. Package names should also be lowercase. If you look at the top of the program, you can tell the path to your current working directory or file is listed following the keyword package. You can also see another example here, where this file we imported came from a separate package. This shows the path to where the code that was imported came from. Chapter 4 covers minor details and comments and program layouts, so basically to the effect of how important they are for readability in your code. So there's not much to cover in Chapter 4. I also want to note that how you write your program or code matters a lot. All these conventions and naming practices are there for a reason and should not be brushed off as something mundane. It is actually worthwhile keeping it in the back of your head and maybe start implementing it in your own personal project, because I know that all teams follow some sort of coding practice, whether in the industry or at school, so it is good to know these beforehand. That will be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.